Hello friends, so in this lecture we will be talking about how we can assign the issues, the default assignees. For example, let me go to the search for issues, let's say, and let me create a new issue. Name it as new issue, and you can see the assignee is automatic. So when I do a create here and I go to this issue, you can see the assignee is unassigned. I want to make sure that whenever any issue is created and if it is not assigned, then it should be assigned to a particular person. So how I can do this? So let me go to the projects. I'll go to my current project and you will find here the user and roles. And here you will find a default assignee, that any issue which is created should have a default assignee. So you can add a default. So you can say your project lead that for unassigned one you will be having the Vaibhav Gupta would be the default assignee. Okay, so and his name is and he is project lead, that is the default assignee. So let me create an update, and now let's create one more newish story. Let's say name it as new story, and let me click on create. Yes, so you will find this issue is created to Vaibhav Gupta, while in the previous case we have seen it was assigned, it was unassigned. So this is how you can manage that all the issues which are created does not have assignee, a default assigned to a person, mostly through the project manager.